नमस्कार, मेरा नाम डॉक्टर रवि सिंह है और आज मैं आपके सामने एक नया केस लेकर आया हूं और इस बीमारी का नाम है CSF राइनोरिया या सेरेब्रो स्पाइनल फ्लूइड राइनोरिया। सेरेब्रो स्पाइनल फ्लूइड राइनोरिया एक ऐसी कंडीशन है जिससे ब्रेन का जो फ्लूइड है, जो ब्रेन और स्पाइनल कॉर्ड के बीच में सर्कुलेट होता है,
We
किसी कारणवश अगर CSF का प्रेशर बढ़ जाए तो जो सबसे वीकेस्ट पॉइंट होता है बेस ऑफ द ब्रेन पे, क्रिबिफॉर्म प्लेट कहते हैं, वहां से वो लीक कर जाता है। और यही इस केस के साथ भी हुआ। यह केस मेरे पास बेंगलुरु से है और ये कभी मेरे क्लिनिक में आए नहीं। इन्होंने मेरे कुछ यूट्यूब वीडियोस देखे जहां पर इनको रियल टाइम केसेस दिखाई पड़े, क्योंकि डॉक्टर्स ने इनको सजेस्ट कर दिया था सर्जरी के लिए। इस केस में खास बात देखिए कि इनको 4x3.2 mm का एक होल था जो इनके बेस ऑफ ब्रेन पे था, क्रिबिफॉर्म प्लेट में, और वहां से ये क्लियर कट डायग्नोसिस थी। मैंने इनको बताया कि मैं केवल बाल के द्वारा इलाज करता हूं, तो पहली बार तो इनको विश्वास नहीं हुआ कि बाल के द्वारा बेंगलोर में बैठा हुआ पेशेंट लखनऊ से ट्रीटमेंट कैसे चलेगा और ठीक होगा। फिर भी क्योंकि ये सर्जरी से बचना चाहती थी तो इन्होंने अपना बाल भेज दिया। आप देखिए पहले वीडियो में किस तरह से इनका CSF फ्लूइड ड्रिप कर रहा है और मैंने इनको ऑनलाइन ही जूम कॉल के द्वारा देखा और देखिए धीरे 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 करके किस तरह से ये पूरी तरह से ठीक हो गई। आज दिनांक 11 जुलाई है और इनका केस मैंने काफ़ी दिन पहले स्टार्ट किया था। इनको जो पहली बार मैंने इनको देखा था ये तारीख थी 26 फरवरी और आज ये 11 जुलाई हो गई और आज तक इनको फिर से CSF का डिस्चार्ज नहीं हुआ। मात्र एक हफ्ते के अंदर इनको फायदा होने लगा था। देखिए मेरे साथ यह केस। बोलिए। नमस्कार, कहाँ से बोल रहे हैं आप?
Bangalore say my Hindi is not good, so
Okay,
I will
no, no, no.
English.
So you are talking
Yes,
from Bangalore and you are suffering with the, as you have narrated in your profile, that you are suffering with a disease called as CSF rhinorrhea.
exactly. So I can message, text you in WhatsApp, sir, regarding the report that I have.
Okay.
Okay, the scan report.
So
Scan report.
kindly send me. Kindly send me.
Yeah, I'll just.
Same the case, and it is the 100% diagnosed case of the CSF rhinorrhea. There is no doubt.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, I've been on treatment with homeopathy in Bangalore itself.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Hello, sir. Can you? Am I audible?
Yeah.
Yeah. So only for sinus, sir. Till now, only sinus. If you see my report, also says I have sinus issue.
Yeah.
So it is they are able to only clear my sinus issue. I had problem here, ear, and all pain was there. So
Mhm.
all this pain has come down. Okay, but I still have problem during winter. When the during winter, all my face goes swelling,
Mhm.
swelling. It becomes swelling.
That means your
Yeah, so it
sinusitis is
goes. I
not
still
cured.
have the
That means your
sir.
sinusitis, that means your sinusitis is not cured. That is still bothering you.
Not cured, sir. Yeah, still bothering. Now it has been a year's treatment with this one. So somewhere I felt that I'm not going in the right direction. But the after doing this homeopathy treatment, I my fever, this meningitis fever and all has come down.
Mhm.
But I did not go for any surgery till now. I have not gone for surgery.
And since how
So
long?
only whenever cold or fever comes,
Since
sir,
how long
this
you
has
are suffering
started
with it?
somewhere in.
Mhm.
Sir, if you see the report is on 2019.
Mhm. Mhm. Okay.
2019, sir.
Mhm.
So it has started somewhere. Then exact month I don't know, but I thought initially I thought it's some allergy or cold.
Mhm.
Initially I thought it was some allergy because when I went to the ENT, he put me on 1 month of amoxicillin tablet, assuming it to be an allergic. Then after that, it was not this one. Often I used to get fever that time. I'm telling about 2019 initial,
Mhm.
somewhere before July.
Mhm.
So I was continuously getting fever and all.
Okay.
So then I consulted the general physicians and all. They referred ENT. ENT thought it is an allergy. Then it did not. Then I went contacted this homeopathy.
Mhm.
Homeopathy, they Now they have given for cold, sir, like cold Q. You see, for a few months I was in the Cilicia. Then I was taking, now I am on calcium phosphate, sir, Calcira phosphate.
Okay.
So tablets like such I've been taking with homeopathy, but I should not lie. My condition of cold has come down. It is under control, sir, but fever also has come down. But this pouring has not. It's
Okay.
dripping.
So
Yeah.
how much it is bothering you? It is daily dripping or sometimes it is intermittent?
No, sir. When I am relaxed, I am sitting straight. I have not an issue. Only if I bend like this, it will drip.
Can you show me right
If
now?
I bend my head.
Can you show me right
Yes,
now?
sir.
Kindly.
Yeah. I'll just pick up tissue, sir. It's not come, sir, still.
Wait.
Yeah, one drop came.
Yes. So it is from the right nostril or left? Yeah, second drop.
Left, sir. Left. 2 drops came, sir. Three.
Yeah.
Around 3 drops came, sir.
Okay.
Around 3 drops. 3 drops for this long time.
Okay.
Sir, when I'm very stressed and if I am in having a cold or something, the flow is heavy, sir.
Yeah, that is very natural. Any factor which is going to increase your CSF pressure, like when you are in the cold, there is a sneezing or some congestion that is causing the increase of the pressure. And when you are stressed, CSF pressure increases, and that's why you are getting such. So both should be avoided. The stress and the cold
Yes.
must be avoided.
Yes.
Anyway, so this is a treatable and curable disorder with a classical homeopathy. Treatable and curable disorder with the help of classical homeopathy. Although there is always a risk of meningitis because there is a direct breach in the continuity of this meninges. Okay, so you will be under constant threat. But so I will advise to opt all the aseptic precautions. You should not go outside without the mask. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's also good, equally good for the corona as well. Okay.
Yeah.
So in that case, and especially if you will catch corona, that will be very dangerous for you. So,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
stay safe, and the rest of the things we will take care of. What are the other health issue along with this CSF rhinorrhea and sinusitis you have?
Sir, I've been operated. My uterus has been removed 2 years, almost 3 years ago. After that, all these issues started coming, sir. So I think in 2016 or 17, I underwent this surgery. After that, my body immunity went down. I was getting often fever. Then I started catching cold. Then this cold led to, I think, continuous coughing. I don't know whatever is the reason, but this led to this CSF leak. Other than that, I am fine, sir. Nothing major, like I don't have sugar, neither BP. As of now, sir, I don't have anything such problems.
Any digestive issue?
Digestive issue, now that I am taking this homeopathy, no, sir, this alcohol spirit based it is. So it is little heat is creating, I think motion I am having little problem now.
Since how long?
Otherwise it is.
Since how long?
Sir, from this medication it started. So now whenever I take lot of fruits and all those things, then it goes normal. Otherwise I have this
We are going to
bowel
provide you the online treatment procedure with the help of classical homeopathy, and you need to follow certain treatment procedure. We are providing the treatment in the form of package system only. That is the 6 month or 168 days package, and for that you need to make a certain payment. After making the payment, we will take your case in the detail. One of my assistant doctor will call you and will take your case in the detail. That case taking session will be very long, at least for 1 hour. Everything will be inquired about you in the detail. Huh? Okay.
Okay.
That will be noted.
Okay.
About your life, about your personal history, about your married life, everything will be noted down. Then I will find a suitable medicine for you and will decide a treatment for you. Now you can get the treatment in the two ways. The first way the treatment is that I will prescribe that medicine, and you can purchase that medicine from local homeopathic store and start consuming that medicine orally, like you are normal medicine. But this is the old method. The new and latest method is called as, by which I am treating all my patients, is called as medicine transfer through hair method. In this particular method, we don't feed that medicine orally. Homeopathic medicines are actually in the form of energy only. They doesn't contain any crude substance. They doesn't contain any crude substance. They are just a bundle of energy. So this is energy transfer of homeopathic medicine. So we will take that, after careful study of your case, we will take that particular energy medicine in a glass vial like this. Can you see?
Okay.
And
yeah, I can see.
In this particular glass vial, I will insert your hair in this particular glass vial. One of your hair strand, you need to send me like this by the speed post or courier. Okay. Then I will insert your hair in this particular glass vial at my place, and you will start getting result at your place without eating this particular medicine. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
You need not to consume anything orally. And during our treatment, I will not recommend any of the homeopathic medicine along with this my treatment, because homeopathy is a system of the medicine where single medicine is prescribed at a time, at a given time. No two medicine is advised in the classical homeopathy. Most of the doctors are doing the practice like they are prescribing 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 medicine at a time.
Yeah. So presently, I'm taking.
Yeah, that I must be knowing. Because that is very common.
I'm taking 4 medicines, sir.
That is not actually the classical homeopathy. Huh? Okay.
Yeah.
So you need to follow certain treatment procedure, which I am going to tell you. I am going to write you in the detail at your WhatsApp number as well. Okay, kindly follow that. Okay. Thank you. How are you?
I'm fine, doctor. Very fine. Feeling very fine.
Very fine. Okay. So we have started.
How are you?
So we have started your treatment on the 4th of March 2000.
Yes, doctor.
For your 1 year long CSA rhinorrhea.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So how much it was troubling before my treatment?
I can't bend. It was pouring.
Okay.
And my head was aching. On the top. This was totally aching here and all. And I used to have fever.
Okay.
Fever of 106, which is meningitis, they say. Yeah. So, and also I had vision problem.
Yeah, you have said me that there is a problem of blurred vision due to this CSF rhinorrhea.
Yeah. So I could realize that, and if somebody speaks louder, I mean, normal audible se bhi little zyada ho gaya, then I used to have problem. It was like jarring in my ears. So all this, and I was getting very, like, I always had this fear of everything. Close the window, please. So the fear, somebody is this one, fear both tha mujh mein. All this was there when I started the treatment.
Okay. So when I have inserted your hair on the 4th of this March 2020.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So from when it has stopped your CSF leak?
Sir, exact date to 9th, that is March 9th, Tuesday. It was there until Monday also, that is March 8th tak bhi tha. And March 9th, achanakly, like all of a sudden it stopped. I was shocked. So I said, let me wait. Agar if I stress out or become excited, kuch ho gaya to problem. So I let me wait. Wait karenge fir. So now this week I just I had this discomfort with gas and stomach bloating often. So for that reason, I called up Dr. Shobha and I was telling her that time this. So it still remains a miracle to me.
It's not at all a miracle. It is just a part of homeopathy. And then why you are feeling miraculous? Because you are not eating a single globule of any medication.
Yes.
And you are getting treated just by a piece of hair.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It was very difficult for me to convince you when you have contacted me few weeks before.
Exactly.
You can be treated with a piece of hair only for this grave disease.
Yes. Sir, if I tell this to my relatives, they feel like I shouldn't say this. They feel कुछ जादू टोना तो नहीं है.
That is very obvious reaction, because I am getting such reaction every now and then. Yesterday,
Yes.
3 of the patients came to my clinic and they were asking about when I have said them when they have visited my clinic, but when I have said to them that I am going to treat you all of you by just a piece of hair, they moved out.
I was not believing it, sir. I was not believing it at all. I do not totally trust in that time. But
you see, my results are giving the
yes,
it's not it's the result of the homeopathy and the result of the great discoverer of the great person, the discoverer of this method, that is Dr. B. Sahni of Patna, who has given us a path to give the treatment to the patient from a distance without feeding the medicine. And this is one of the boon to this in the COVID-19 crisis, where you are from, I think you are from Bangalore, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. From Bangalore.
Yes, so we have saved you a lot of money and lot of COVID exposure. If I had called you to Lucknow, it must have cost too much.
Yes. And the thing is, definitely I wouldn't have come to Lucknow, sir, not in this Corona state. So that was one thing.
Let's continue with this medicine. And after a few months, I will advise you to go for the same checkup, that is CT cystoscopy again. And let's see if that bony defect can be healed. That will be getting healed.
Yes, sir. I had this cheeks pain and all.
That is due to the sinusitis. That is due to That is due to sinusitis, and it will also be cured. You have to only avoid the temperature difference.
Yes, sir. I am very happy. I am very confident. I should say that. Because I did not really trust you. I'm sorry.
Just few moments back, I have consulted one of the patient, and she's from Nanda. I think she's from Bangalore itself. I'm going to. Can I give your number to her?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Yes, I am giving your number.
Sir, but whenever I tell people, they are not trusting me. They are same situation.
You were in the same scenario.
Yes.
You were also not trusting. It is only the result.
Yes. Okay. It is a miracle. I still feel it's a miracle. Sir, I can do hard works like kuch exercise.
No, I will not advise to go for the strenuous work, especially if that is creating a pressure over the head.
Okay, sir.
So you should avoid such things for a few months at least, because you are saved from very grave disease. In fact.
Yes, sir.
Okay, stay positive.
And I also wanted to thank Dr. Shobha, who did a case study. So actually, I also, during a case study, I realized I also was undergoing a lot of depression, hidden depression, which she came out while during case study. Even it made me realize that what I was doing. So,
actually, this is our always we are doing the case studies like that. The patients, we wish to know the patient as a person, not just the body parts. We are not seeing just the outcome of the disease, the result of the disease, the pathology of the disease. We want to know you as a person, why you are getting such diseases.
Yeah. Right, sir.
Okay.
Right. Yes. Okay, right.
So, Kavita ji, how are you?
I'm fine, doctor. Actually, I wanted to call you.
Okay. Regarding?
Sir, this face bones and my forehead pains yet that leaking has stopped,
Okay, leaking has stopped,
but
but there is a pain. Okay,
pain
actually, what?
here and
Yeah,
here.
yeah. The cause of that leaking is the sinusitis. That pain is sinusitis. You see, when the CSF fluid was leaking, there was a fluid in the sinuses, and that caused the inflammation. And you had the this sinusitis issue before this CSF leak as well. Okay, so
Yes, yes,
it
yes.
will take time. It will take time. You can take the steam. Eh? Daily, you can take the steam.
Steam can be done, doctor.
Yeah, steaming can. You can inhale
Yeah.
the steam,
Sir,
and
sir, added to this, after this medication started, my
Mhm.
right lower abdomen corner,
Mhm.
lower abdomen
Mhm.
towards the right side is paining. There is sudden pain in the right lower abdomen. Before this, I never had, sir.
I will suggest to go for the ultrasound if this problem persists. Okay.
Cyst is it? I don't. In my case study, if you have seen, I have my uterus has been removed.
Okay. Okay. So why don't you go for a ultrasound of the whole abdomen so the thing can be pointed out where is the problem.
Okay. So
Okay.
will you write a prescription for
Yeah.
me because
Yeah. I'm going to write it.
yeah,
I'm going to write a prescription.
yeah,
Show this prescription in the WhatsApp to your this
yeah, yeah. To this one, I'll just get
ultrasonologist.
that done.
Yeah. And
Yeah,
the leakage has
yeah.
completely stopped. There is no recurrence, na, till date.
No, 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 no leak.
But
This one recurrence. And
okay.
yes, sir. Tell me.
Uh, but stay safe because if the COVID will happen, that will be the disaster, especially for you.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
That is
So,
what.
so
Yeah.
never ever go outside without any mask.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Uh,
Yeah,
keep the social
yeah,
distancing or physical distancing as well.
yeah. Sir,
Okay.
the prescription you'll send me, no?
Yeah, I'm going to send you. Okay.
The prescription because this suddenly started, sir,
Okay.
from
Okay.
this
I'm going to prescribe
March.
you.
Sir.
I'm
ठीक
going
है.
to write.
Yeah, I have no problem now.
Okay, okay.
Uh,
There is no CSF leak as of now.
CSF has come under control, sir. CSF totally stopped.
That is the best news, in fact.
Yeah, that's what. From our last meeting also it has. In
Mhm.
fact, I was complaining about sinus issue.
Yeah. Actually,
Yeah,
what is happening when the CSF leak is there, this CSF also get lodged in your sinuses and that causes the inflammation because that is traveling through your sinuses and that's why it is causing the trouble. I am also taking care of that issue as well. So take some tulsi leaves daily. Tulsi leaves,
okay.
any form of infusion in the tea or in coffee or in milk, any form, and that will help. And along with that, I am also going to do some increase of the power of your medication from my end, and you will be okay. And
Okay.
I will advise if you can go through that CT cysternography test, that will be far better. Will it be possible?
Yes,
Will it
I'll
be?
do that.
Okay. So do that CT cysternography and I am sharing with you the prescription. Kindly show this prescription at your CT scan center. So
Okay.
it can be included in the reference doctor.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
And do it and share the report with me. So I wish to see
Definitely.
what with the position of your hole in your brain.
Okay, sir. I'll do that. I'll do that. I'll specify. And thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. The sinus is reducing, sir. Actually, it has come to, I would say it has come to a control. But whenever I undergo some, if the climate changes, I still have pain. I still have pain. That is only when I undergo, when there is a change in the climate.
Okay.
Otherwise, otherwise I'm normal, sir.
Okay.
My normal life, I've got back to my normal life.
That is the blessing of many man and homeopathy.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Truly. Truly.
यदि आपको इस क्लिनिक से इलाज लेने की आवश्यकता है तो यह क्लिनिक लखनऊ में स्थित है। आप मेरी वेबसाइट raviclinic.com पर जाकर विजिट कर सकते हैं और एक अपॉइंटमेंट बुक कर सकते हैं, जिसमें जूम कॉल के द्वारा आपसे बात होगी और आपकी बीमारी को देखा और समझा जाएगा और उसमें क्या हो सकता है यह बताया जाएगा। इस कंसल्टेशन को एक क्यूरेबिलिटी कंसल्टेशन कहते हैं, जिसमें आपको क्लियरिटी ऑफ थॉट मिलेगी कि आपको आगे क्या संभावना है होम्योपैथी से, कि कैसे आपका इलाज हो सकता है।